The Catholic Diocese of Brownsville lifted the dispensation for Sunday Mass attendance starting today. CBS 4's Adam Cardona spoke with the bishop on what this decision means and how the pandemic has affected the church.
I and many bishops in the country allowed a dispensation from Sunday Mass so that people, for the sake of their own health and safety, in order to spread the contagion and the virus from spreading so much, were dispensed from the obligation that Catholics have to go to Mass on Sunday.
Bishop Daniel E. Flores of the Catholic Diocese of Brownsville says that was one of the first steps he took in 2020 to help stop the spread of COVID-19, but he's now withdrawn the dispensation.
When I have lifted the dispensation, that basically means that we go back to a normal Catholic's conscience about going to Mass.
He says although things are going back to normal, precautionary measures like wearing face masks, sanitizing, and social distancing are still encouraged, but not mandatory.
People are encouraged, if they don't feel well, if they feel sick, if they're taking care of somebody who's sick, if they feel like their health situation doesn't allow them to go out too much in public, then they're of course dispensed to the law. By the law itself, it is required, it allows that.
Sunday Mass can be watched through an online live stream, but he says Catholics should return to Sunday Mass in person.
Ordinarily, Catholics who are in a good state of health and who are able to come to Mass and really should take the Sunday obligation very seriously.
The dispensation meant to help stop the spread of the virus made an impact on many.
It had a financial impact on the church, but I think the spiritual impact of the suffering that people went through spiritually is the most important thing to remember.
Bishop Flores says he prays the church does not have to take extreme measures again, but says they are prepared.
We think it's very important that our people have a sense also of the importance of community life and taking care of each other. And that's kind of at the heart of the church's message in the gospel anyway. And I think we have had a chance really to kind of put that into practice, and we ask the Lord to continue to keep us healthy.
Working for you in Brownsville, I'm Adam Cardona.